let's face it, not everyone can get their hands on a new F-150. Luckily, Rancho has a kit that will give your truck or Jeep that much needed lift. The Rancho 2-inch level-it system with struts is perfect for those who want a more level ride with a little lift in the front. This kit includes sway bar spacers, the RS9000 XL struts, and all the mounting hardware to let you add up to 33-inch tires. This combination gives a superior ride when taking the family on the blacktop, and when you want to take to the trails, that extra lift gives you a better off-road experience. Rancho has outdone themselves with this kit. The RS9000 XL struts have 9-position dampening control. This gives you 9 different levels of ride feel in the struts. From 1 to 5 gives a softer ride, and this is the best on and off-road flexibility depending on your need. 5 to 9 is a firmer ride, giving a better option for performance or towing. Another way to say it is 1 to 3 is more like a factory ride, 4 to 6 is similar to the RS9000 X ride, and 7 to 9 gives you maximum control. The included sway bar spacers are there to help keep your body roll down and keep your truck from swaying too much while driving. So when you're going around a curve or taking on some rougher terrain, you will have a firm foundation underneath. All this is great, but what good would it be without the Rancho quality? The struts have a 70mm tri-tube body for increased fluid capacity, an 18mm nitro carb rod to prevent scuffing and corrosion, a graphite-filled piston for better response, a rebound bumper for better motion in rough conditions, and so much more. Rancho has given this kit the kind of attention that shows they want you, the driver, to have the best experience on or off-road. Installation on this setup is a bit more involved. You will need a strut spring compressor and more shop tools, so this may not be a do-it-at-home installation. We recommend checking out the dealer locator to help find a shop where you can have these professionally installed. If you are interested in purchasing Rancho's 2-inch level-it kit with the RS9000 XL struts or looking to have them installed, check out the dealer locator here or in the description below. And subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.